Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chillin' with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun that I changed straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that's shown. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Calling, calling, calling. I'm calling, 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 calling. Shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no plot. Fuck a wet brand, no top, no spot. Chase all day to the thoughts in the back. With my niggas, fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass stack. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shade, catch, nigga. Last time when I talk to a man, well shit. Run quick, slash for the neck, nigga. No, I gotta make it out the cold for the best show. Please don't try, never show my back. Bitch, don't cry, just move that tag. That's trash, thought I never really say this. Call my music on my ex-bitch playlist. Bitches say 613, that's the greatest. But I never see no niggas ever famous. Facts, boy, leg boy, trash boy. 10 fake babe, hoodies, face ass boy. No, I tell these niggas that I never do shit, but my thoughts never sit. So I'm never not slick, nigga. Watch me leave this place you stay. Think about the fault you made. Change the fucking shit you say. I may be back another day.
From the north side. We started some cold shit. And we running. Like, no more of that game stuff. Like, I'm done with that.
Stack up bags to the gas for the week, yeah, yeah. Stack up bags to the gas for the week, yeah, yeah, yeah. Bags to the gas for the week, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, taking my life, thinking it's right, switching and missing the point to the type, washing the thoughts in the back of my mind, telling that I know for fact that they mine. Watch me, I'm so low, I walk with your photo, take money from the locked door, bitch move back what you came for, swinging down the waterway, take a dip in the glass shade, I come with the landscape, I run with the wrong day, tell me bitch that I wait outside, tell me shit that I never hide, thinking down with no side to side, break down with no shit to try.
I don't know about you, but I'm having a really great time. There's no way that I can express to you what I'm feeling right now. My heart is full to bursting, except to say, I'm the king of the world!
Jump to the back of the case, strict when I walk straight through, no chase. Water flow down from the top to my lace, take a bitch straight down to the goddamn place. Bitch say I leave, hey bitch don't call. Fuck what you say, shit never gon' fall. Check quick that I show with the walk to the stall. Never going back to the place in the fall. Grip walk fast, no snakes in the grass. Swift when I flow, no shit from the past. Talking about the trees and the G's, yes please. Young wild niggas see me in the middle of the seas. Tiptoe to the top of the block, swoop by fast, Mark 1 drop top. When I swing to the back, what a nigga gon' stop. Bitch tell me what you want, bitch tell me don't stop. Tied up, no slack, show, sipping from the rose gold. Tell me that straight make cash like Hove in tech. Soon wanna take my mom from the stove. Still say I got shit to know. Educate dumb niggas slick on the low. Stroll right through, no shit in the view. Walk past motherfuckers never had no clue. 346 in the 6, fucked up when the phone rang. North boys throwing up cash in the bank, sipping on juice, never had no ring. Breaking down things, no frown, never feel no guilt. Bitch, I run this town. Run away quick when I hear that sound. Never go back when I claim that ground.
Oh shit, caught that nigga. Hey, this one here is for them niggas that be Johnny Dangerous when they be fucking 50 deep. They be fucking cowards when they by themselves. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. That's right. You ain't shit without your homeboys. You ain't shit without your homeboys. You ain't shit without your homeboys. Now every time I see you catch you rolling in packs, for the life of me I cannot see why you don't know how to act. Love the clan when you're deep, but when you on that solo creep out on the streets you don't even repeat. Nigga, it's a goddamn shame. Somebody explain why they send a bad boy to play a grown man's game. Tear that ass out the frame, completely get that ass kicked. Woke up on the street but you'll be sleeping in the casket. How long will it last? Nigga, don't ask, just be first to blast. Outlaw on the mask, trying to be the first to see some cash. My shit's classic, like my nigga Nate, go get the tape. We'll keep the nation anticipating until we break. Money made me evil, cold cases got me stressed. Niggas aiming at my head, but I still wear my vest. I don't give a fuck, motherfuckers, I'm low. They all ducking when my gun smoke. You ain't shit without your homeboys. You probably run at the sound of funk. I give a fuck, you niggas is punks without your homeboys.